A winter service vehicle, or snowplow, is a specially designed or adapted vehicle meant to clear roads of ice and snow. Typically based on a dump truck chassis, these vehicles are equipped with specialized snow removal equipment. A team of snowplows works by using blades to push snow to the side, clearing it from the surface. Each team usually consists of 5 plows, and each plow operator is expected to work for up to 5 hours without taking a break. Plows generally operate at speeds of 45 miles per hour or less, depending on various road conditions such as snow levels, drifting, and ice.